30s all day long in most locations. So this is how it would feel if you're stepping out in the evening hours. In the 20s, near 30, Concord 32, Manchester only in the 20s at the seacoast. And it's all courtesy of the northwest wind that's been kicking up throughout the day. And not only has it made it feel colder, but it's actually created some snow shower action. Mostly up in the White Mountains. You see those are ongoing even at this hour. But there even were a couple flurries that made it into southern New Hampshire and down into the Monadnock region throughout the afternoon here, but no accumulation from those flurries. In the mountains, though, it continues to accumulate, in fact, over a foot easily on top of Mount Washington. And you can see that the snow showers are really just wherever there are mountain peaks. So that's that cold air meeting up with the mountains. It's forced to go up, it condenses, and you get the snow to fall. Elsewhere, the skies are actually clearing out. So in central and southern New Hampshire tonight, it's going to be clear and cold. Look at these temperatures in the 20s from Littleton to Berlin, only 26 in Plymouth and in Concord, 28 degrees Manchester down into Salem. Tomorrow will be bright and sunny. Problem is the winds are still going to be with us, so it will still feel on the cold side here. Throughout the day, sunny. Shouldn't be any more mountain snow showers going on here with high pressure on top of us. Once we get to Monday morning, that's where things start to get a little bit dicey. This computer model showing the snow arriving in western and southern New Hampshire by about 9 a.m., but I think it may come in faster than that and right during the morning commute time. So a big heads up for you with your travels early on Monday morning. There could be some slick spots, especially in southern and western portions of the state of New Hampshire. As we go through the day, we'll still have more snow showers. It'll be minimal in terms of accumulation, but even small amounts of snow can really make the roads icy. So keep that in mind tomorrow, or on Monday, I should say, because that's when it could get a little bit difficult for driving. And then that system clears away, but we're not done after that, actually. As we get into the rest of the work week, there's some snow and rain showers later on in the week. Tomorrow, the winds won't be quite as strong as today out of the northwest, 5 to 15 miles per hour, but look at these temperatures, and you can